Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start now by collecting vinyl, printable sticker paper, clear laminate, and a cutting mat. You need them at hand. Open your design file at 300 dpi and set color to CMYK so prints match. Include a 3 to 5 mm bleed for safe cutting. Print a quick proof on regular paper to check scale and colors. This saves material and time. Once the proof looks right, load your sticker stock and laminate, and make sure printer settings match paper weight. Print with highest quality and the correct paper type selected. This preserves detail and color. Once printed, align and apply clear laminate slowly, using a squeegee to remove bubbles. Laminate protects against water and abrasion. Trim laminate to leave a small border, about 1 to 2 mm so edges seal. For cutting, use a craft cutter or plotter. Adjust blade depth to just penetrate sticker layer without cutting backing. This ensures easy peeling later and clean edges. Weed away excess vinyl or sticker material slowly, using a fine weeding tool for small details so you preserve intricate cuts. Peel a test sticker and apply to a clean, dry surface at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, pressing from center outward with a squeegee to avoid bubbles. If edges or corners lift after application, apply light heat with a heat gun or iron through parchment to reseal, or add an extra laminate strip over the edge. This fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.